welcome back to my channel, and happy 2025. So I'm going to do an update on my rolling project pan. I usually have 10 items in here at a time, but I just roll over all the time and see what I complete, what I can complete in a year. So I'm not ending 2024s and starting a new one. I'm just rolling into 2025. Okay, so I have my book here. Where did I put it? And I have all the finished items. So I finished 2 more items recently, spoiler alert, and I still have some items that are going to be rolling over, and then new ones I'm going to be adding in. So I'll get the weights for them and leave everything, the weights on everything will be left down below, because I'm recording this video quickly before somebody comes to pick up our trash so I can recycle everything. So if I don't have the weights, I'm not going to have the weights for you in this video, but I'll put them in the down bar before I post the video, okay? Just a little recap on that. I got to change my playlist from Rolling Project Pan 2024 to just Rolling Project Pan. So I'm finishing off a couple of items, and I'm going to add in a few items, and like 8 items are rolling over. So yeah. Okay, so I have a list here of all the products that I finished up in the year. Some of the packaging I no longer have. But let's just have a little total of what I finished up this year, okay? So I finished up the, I'll just make sure I go through, this beachfront blanket from Bath & Body Works. That's completely gone. I finished up, now there was 2 products in this that I finished up. The first were these, what actually came in there, which was like clarifying, resurfacing facial wipes, and then I used it to finish off the last of my hemp lotion, so that counts as 2 products right there. Okay, and then I finished up Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume, so that's finished up. And I finished, these are in no particular order, I finished up the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. I finished this up a little while ago, you guys probably seen this. So I'm just gonna verify, I'm gonna leave the book down, but yeah, gone. What else? I finished up the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I finished up the e.l.f. CC Camo Cream. That's gone. I dropped it on the floor. I finished up the St. Lux Setting Spray. I finished up this Feeling Good from Pharmacy hyaluronic acid serum stuff. I finished up Jason Wu mascara, which I will not repurchase that ever again. I didn't like it, but I used it up. Twisted Peppermint. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Is it lashes or flashes? Because I know there was 2. Lights Camera Lashes. I used that up. I used up the One Size BBB cream. I used up, okay, these are the most 2 recent ones, and I don't know what I dropped on the floor. I used up the Charlotte Tilbury blush in Pinkasm, and I used up this Verb Ghost Oil. And I know I dropped something on the floor. Just give me a second. Oh, it was what I already talked about. And then I used up, most recently, this since December, since my last update, I used up this Pure Nova hand cream, and I used up this Tarte, I'll show you guys, I used up this Tarte balm. Well, it's called Awake. I think it was like a, if I'm not mistaken, it was like a side partner to Tarte. I think it's from the brand Awake anyway, and it smelled like peach. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This counted as 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But I'm pretty sure there was more than that in here, so I'm just going to look over this very quickly and see. Okay, so the I can't talk. The Ghost Oil was there. Twisted Peppermint Cream was there. Ariana Grande. I'm just skimming through. That was there. That was there. Fenty Cream Bronzer. It dried up on me, but I did get like a lot of uses in it. I hit pan. That's what I set out to do. So that was another one. So there's 18 products. I think everything else was there. Because the hemp lotion wasn't there, but the tub that I finished it in was there. Yep, that was it. So I finished up 18 products in 2024, but that's not counting products that I finished up generically through the year. Like, I do have some empties. I had some empties through the year that weren't in projects that I just finished up from use. So that is everything that I finished up in 2024 in this project. And now we're just going to go over what's rolling in and what's rolling over for this year. And like I said, all the weights on everything will be down below. I have a mess made right now on my desk, so I can't get the measurements right now, but I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, so the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I didn't finish that, as you can see, so I have to roll this into 2025, and hopefully relatively soon I can finish it up. This Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Light Concealer, I didn't finish up. I'm starting to see some windowing there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is some windowing, so I got to roll that over. This, I figured I'd have it, because the year before, I finished up a lot of lip glosses in one year, but this Fenty Heat is thick. So, I'm still working on this. I'm hoping I can get this done. I haven't been wearing makeup a lot in the year of 2024 either, so that's probably another problem. This is rolling over. There's no label on this anymore. I pulled it off one day. I was bored. This is the Coconut Candy Apple from Bath & Body Works. I have been making progress on it, as you can see, but it's not quite finished yet. So we're going to squeeze and try to finish that up relatively soon in the year. This one should only take a week or two. This is the POREFESSIONAL Super Setter Primer. Setting spray. I can't talk today. I don't know what's wrong with me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else do we have over here? This MARC Andy powder. I'm going to try to get more into using this year. It's about halfway gone. And I'm keeping this package when it's empty because I love this package. I'll put something else in there. Okay, and then we have, this probably only has one use left in it. This is the OLAPLEX 3. So this is rolling over. I'll finish that off. And then another powder, I know. This is the e.l.f. Camo powder foundation. It's going to take a while to use up, but we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. So there's no pan in sight or anything on that. So those are 8 that are rolling over from last year. I know, I figured I'd have some of these finished up in December, but I just didn't. With Vlogmas, I didn't do my makeup every day, and I just got lazy. So the 2 new products that are rolling in for 2025 to this project, I need to slow down and speak before I say words. All right, this was in my deck of panning the end of last year, and I didn't quite finish it up like I wanted to, so it's coming over to this product. So I'm going to finish up this CIATE Extraordinary BB Cream. There's probably a few uses left in this. It's only a mini, so I'm going to finish that up. And then I'm going to finish up my oldest, or try to. It's going to be a challenge because I've never finished a liquid lipstick before, but this is the oldest liquid lipstick in my collection, and it's from Too Faced. It's a Melted Matte, and it is Candy Cane. So I figure this might work good for Valentine's Day, and then if I have to roll it in, like, I mean, this might be an all-year thing, but we're going to try. It's the oldest one in my collection, so I'd like to try to get some more use out of it. So, I mean, this will be pretty for Valentine's. It's like a pink red, if you can see that there. It still smells like candy cane. So as long as it doesn't have any adverse effects on my lips or anything, then we're going to keep using it. And I really don't know why I'm stuttering and walking all over my words. But, yeah. So that's what it looks like. There's what the color looks like. It's really pretty. And it still smells minty as candy cane. So that is my project rolling over for 2025. I have 2 more products to start on, and I'm going to try to get as many of these older ones out as I can before, well, obviously, I'm going to try. Hopefully by February 1st, like the 1st of February, I can get a good dent in a lot of these, because I'm going to challenge myself to wear more makeup this year as well and try to look after myself a little bit more. That's going to be a challenge, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a great new year and a great holiday season. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.